today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Figma prototypes as MP4 videos, updated method 2025. We'll walk through a simple and reliable way to capture your interactive prototype directly from Figma and end up with a clean MP4 clip you can share, post, or present. First, open the Figma website in your browser and make sure your project is loaded. Give your file a moment to sync so everything is up to date. Before we record, take a minute to prepare your design. Set a clear starting frame for your flow, connect your interactions, and double-check transitions and device frames so the prototype looks the way you want on screen. It helps to tidy layer names and hide any guides or helper frames you don't want to appear in the recording. If you plan to demonstrate a specific path, rehearse it once in prototype mode to confirm the timing feels right. Next, open Figma's Quick Actions. You'll see a search bar at the top of the interface. In that search bar, type Motion. Select the Motion plugin from the results and click Run. This opens the workspace where you'll handle recording. If it's your first time, give the plugin a moment to initialize. Once it's ready, you'll see options for recording and previewing your clip. Inside the plugin, choose the prototype you want to record. Make sure the correct starting frame or flow is selected so the capture begins in the right place. When you're set, click Record. Interact with your prototype naturally, just as you would when presenting it live. If the plugin provides perspective tools, you can rotate or adjust the view slightly to showcase details with a bit of depth. Keep your cursor movements smooth, hover briefly on key elements, and allow transitions to complete so the final video feels polished. When you've captured what you need, stop the recording and click Preview. The preview will play back the MP4 so you can confirm that animations are smooth, timing is comfortable, and the framing looks clean. Listen for any unwanted clicks and watch for abrupt cursor moves. If anything feels off, simply return to your prototype, make quick adjustments, and record another take. Short, focused clips are usually easier to watch and share. That's it. By preparing your design up front, running the Motion plugin from Quick Actions, selecting the right prototype, recording with steady interactions, and reviewing the preview, you'll have a crisp MP4 that represents your Figma prototype exactly the way you envisioned.